everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my gosh, Avon Christmas sales, Black Friday. It's all happening right now. For those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep and all of my information is below. And I want to go over a couple of things that are happening. I'm getting excited for Christmas, you guys. I've got so much cool stuff. I have to show you my gnome too. Oh my gosh, you guys. He is absolutely adorable. I do have a couple more of the home decor things coming in the mail from Avon. Can't wait to show you those. But there's a bunch of things that I want to go over with you guys. So number one, 12 days of deals. So right now, Avon is doing these amazing deals where you get a free gift with a $60 purchase and you get free shipping. So my recommendation is, say you're going to do two orders and one was like 50 and one was 60, the best thing you can do is do two $60 orders and then you can use a coupon code and then you can get a free thing. I sent out my coupon codes to all of the people on my email list. If you're not on my email list, now is the time to do it. www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. I'll put my blog below. You just click on the link, put your name and your email in there, and then you'll be on my email list and my coupon list because there's 4 codes right now. One of them is a free A-box with a $60 order. So you could do that one. You could place a second order, and then you could get the 12 days of deals. Right now we're doing that charcoal mask. I just ordered that. I cannot wait to get that. So every day, we're on day 5. Check in to see what the deal of the day is. So that's super exciting. 12 days of deals goes until November 20th. November 22nd, I believe we're going to start Black Friday deals. I don't know what they are yet. As soon as I have any information on that, I will pass everything on to you. Couple of exciting things though. So the Campaign 1 catalog just released. It's basically a recap of all the last minute gifts. I don't necessarily go by the catalogs as much because I'm an online rep, and there's actually more online, I believe, than even in the catalog. You can search for it. It's so much easier to shop online because you've got the search function. I understand that people do like the book in their hand though too. So there is a brochure that you can actually flip through the pages of the book right online. It's really neat. But a couple call outs that I wanted to do. Right now, we've got the buy one, get one free on all of the hand sanitizers. So this is a really good deal. They're regularly $3.99. So you're going to get 2 for $3.99. Awesome deal on that. So that's a good stock up. And then I don't think these are, I'm not sure what these are. I'd have to look up the price right now. Stocking stuffers, all of the hand creams, you guys. Everybody's favorite, the silicone glove, the original, the radiant moisture. Everybody loves hand cream, especially because we're all using hand sanitizer. Couple of other things. So if you join Avon right now, it's free until December 31st. I don't know what they're doing after December 31st, but right now you can join for free. As a rep, I just got this flyer in the mail. Any A-box is $10, but you have to be a rep in order to get this deal. And check it out. They have got 12 A-boxes available right now. So that means that you can use these as gifts for your family, but you got to be a rep. So you would sign up for $0, become a rep. I'll have the information below on how you can join my team. I do incentives and giveaways too, so it's really fun. And then you buy 6 of these boxes for $60. That's 6 Christmas presents, and they're valued at up to $58. I think the most expensive one is. So that's a really good deal on these A boxes. So if you want to join, the information is below. You just click on the link. It takes like 2 seconds to be an Avon rep. It's super easy. Don't forget the slippers. Slippers are selling out, you guys. Only, some of the sizes, like in the purple, I don't know what they have. I haven't gone through the list lately, but stuff's selling out. Some of the jewelry is starting to sell out. Here's my iconic necklace that I love so much. these gorgeous rings. I am so in love with these sparkly rings for Christmas. I haven't talked much about this. I should review this. The Nog candle smells so good, you guys. This is pistachios, spiced vanilla, and warm milk. If you're looking for an eggnog, you know me, I love my eggnog, you guys. Eggnog candle for Christmas. This one smells amazing. The paper's off. I did burn this one once. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. So don't forget about candles for Christmas. These make great gifts. Don't forget about your hand cream and your lip balms, the holiday ones. Everybody goes nuts over these. These are just such a good Christmas gift. And then I gotta show you my gnome. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? Okay, so check it out. He lights up. Wait, where's my switch? There's a little battery pack in here. Okay, let me turn him on. Check it out. And then he's got these expandable legs, so I can squish him down. You could have a short gnome, or you can kind of like lengthen him. And then that's like, there you go. His legs are so cute, you guys. This is like the most adorable thing ever. Wait, let me get my camera on him. There you go. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I am a gnome fanatic. I have little gnomes like all over the place in my house. So I was super excited. My girlfriend actually got me that for Christmas. So I was like, she's a fellow rep, but I was like, oh my gosh, the gnome. Best gift ever. I love the gnome. Don't forget about the apple glaze. This is limited edition. This will not be available after Christmas. Super beautiful, like wintry apple scent. Got kind of a snowy bite to it that's so nice. Oh, and I just got this today, you guys. Check it out. This is so pretty. Look at this. It's like this delicate little gemstone bracelet. I think these come in a couple colors. I got the, I think this is the garnet one I got. These are so cute, though. So that was a super neat thing. I had another bracelet on my table, you guys. My table's a mess, you guys. I've got stuff laying everywhere. Oh, my gosh. Oh, the emerald. Oops. I got my candle on my keyboard. The emerald necklace, you guys. This is one of my favorite jewelry pieces. Honestly, I love this emerald jewelry. It's kind of costumey, but it looks really pretty on for Christmas. This is going to be my Christmas necklace. Actually, I have a Christmas outfit, and I'm going to wear this for Christmas because it's so pretty. So much stuff going on for Avon. So recap. 12 days of Avon. Look for the codes every day. Black Friday is coming. If you want to join as a rep, definitely think about it because we got these A boxes for reps only. And finally, sign up for my Eid coupons because that's the best way you're going to get communication from me about everything coming to Avon because there's so much good stuff. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys really soon. Have an awesome Friday. Bye-bye.